2025 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS in Vadium Gray. This car came in straight from the dealer to us. It's a 992.2. Needed a very mild polish. The paint was in excellent condition. So the paint was still polished. Then we did full body XPEL PPF, followed by ceramic pro coating on top of the PPF and all over all the exterior plastics, everything covered in ceramic as well. We did ceramic window tint, 20% on the side and rear windows, and 70% on the windshield. The interior was completely ceramic coated as well. All of the leather, the Alcantara, the plastics, it all got ceramic coated. Ceramic coating in the door jambs, all of these plastics, everything protected. All of the carpeting, the Alcantara here on the bottom of the dashboard. We then also ceramic coated the wheels and calipers. So the wheels were removed, thoroughly cleaned, coated the calipers as well, and now everything is protected. So it's, you know, the client made a good choice to go for it all. I always like to highlight our PPF work because it's not always the same, you know, depending on where you go. We try to wrap everything around. There are no edges to be found. You don't see any bubbles. What we were just done, of course, is a few very, very minor moisture bubbles that all are dried out now. No stretch marks, no other imperfections inside, underneath the film at all. For instance, here, right around the headlight, everything is tucked away. You cannot see or feel any film underneath there. Same thing here, everything is all the way up to the edge. No exposed film anywhere. And that's the way it should be, but unfortunately, we see cars here all the time that come already pre-PPF'd elsewhere, and most of the time the clients bring it here to say, rip it all off and start all over again. And that's unfortunate because that's wasted money. This car is absolutely beautiful, I think. Oh, also, by the way, we removed the rear badge, and the client wanted just the GTS put back. So we always make a template of the badge so we can remove it, put a solid piece of film, and then put the badge back in the exact same position. In this case, he wanted just the GTS to be put back, so that's what we did. Makes it, I think it gives it a much cleaner look and much simpler instead of such a long badge in the back. So I think he made a good choice. And now it's ready to go. This will be his new daily, and I'm sure that he will get a lot of smiles out of this one. And he'll drive it, I'm sure, for many, many years to come.